Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Shein. You know they've been on my channel a whole lot lately because their wigs are fire. I'm gonna have that special link in the description box for you for those wigs that are part of that buy one get one free. Free gets you something good over there at Shein. What I have installed is a 28-inch 5x5 transparent closure wig. This is a highlight wig and it is so cute, guys. It comes ashy with, you know, my favorite tones and highlights, black and blonde. Black and blonde highlight wigs hit every single time.
I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job. Tell me things like I can't hate to walks and dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out.
They upgraded their packaging. Okay. I'm gonna go in with some of this powder on the lace. And I'm just putting it right along the front.
But you got that something that just rocks my world. I get up and feel like.
Okay, so I removed some more lace from there. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some wax stick. Oh, too much. Too much wax stick. I'm doing this in whatever order I want to do it in. If you're at home, I usually like to do the flat ironing at the end, but I kind of wanted to see how bone straight this would get in order for me to figure out exactly like where I'm going to part it.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree.
I'm trying to do like a C curve. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
Gonna make it. Yeah. All hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe.
I'm really trying to think if I want to cut into this beautiful hairline to do the baby hairs. Okay, we're just gonna go for it. Cutting it. I hate doing that, but I'm doing it for the style.
I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it.
Okay, we're gonna clean up the part. We're gonna make it a little bit wider. We're gonna go in with some powder that is going to give us scalp. Okay, and then I like to seal it in. The density is 180% and I think it is spot on. It's really pretty. It's so cute with this all black fit. I decided today to do a deep side part. It does claim that it is pre-plucked. If you were going to wear this wig like bust down middle part, you might want to pluck some more off of that. Or another Shein wig. I'm impressed. As usual, they've delivered. I think this wig is very pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. If you want to purchase this wig using my discount code, is BOGOKEZ. BOGO in all caps. I'm going to put it here. BOGOKEZ, one word, for 15% off. Save some coins at the checkout. Bye guys.